The Slak Strainer emerges as a discreet yet ingenious addition, revolutionizing the art of straining with its innovative design and efficient functionality. Crafted with a blend of flexibility and durability, this unassuming strainer becomes a harmonious assistant, seamlessly integrating into your culinary escapades. Imagine the chaos of a bustling kitchen, the steam rising from pots, and the clatter of utensils. The Slak Strainer becomes your reliable companion, offering a versatile and efficient straining experience, turning each culinary task into a note in the orchestrated melody of your cooking routine. The adaptability of the Slak Strainer is evident as it caters to various pot and pan sizes. Whether you're draining pasta, washing vegetables, or straining broth, this versatile strainer proves to be a kitchen multitasker. Operation is a breeze. A simple clip-on mechanism allows you to attach it securely to the edges of pots, pans, or bowls, offering hands-free straining convenience. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, the Slak Strainer emphasizes not just straining efficiency but also durability. It withstands the demands of regular use and maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your culinary companion remains a trustworthy choice for the long run. This silicone strainer isn't just about draining liquids. It symbolizes a commitment to efficiency and simplicity in your culinary adventures. Crafted from resilient materials, it embodies a dedication to ensuring that even the most straightforward kitchen tasks are approached with innovation and practicality. The Slak Strainer is a whispersome revolution in the grand narrative of kitchen essentials. It transforms the routine act of straining into a symphony of ease, reminding us that even the smallest additions to our daily cooking rituals can play a pivotal role in enhancing our culinary experiences. So, embrace the subtle brilliance of the Slak Strainer, where every strain becomes a note in the orchestrated melody of contemporary kitchen innovation. Thanks for watching, guys. That is it for today. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content.